Okay, so hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be learning how to cut a trouser, an extra large size trouser. So these are the measurements we're going to be using. I'm going to be using a waist measurement of 43. We have the trouser width, the lap of 31, trouser length of 41 and a half, the knee round is 22, and the ankle measurement is 16. So without wasting time, let us start. So let's measure the length of the trouser. We said is 41 and a half. So this is 41 and a half. And 2 inches hemming allowance, that becomes 43 and a half. We're going to divide the length by 2 to get the half length or the knee area. Okay, so this will be our knee area here. At 20 3/4 inches, we come to this place, mark the knee area, mark the length of the trouser and the hemming allowance. So we are simply going to join these points together this way. Join here. This is the beginning point where we are taking our measurement from. This is the length of our trouser. This is the hemming allowance. Okay, so the next thing for us to do now is to come to the beginning point here. We're going to come in here. Our measurement is starting from this. Let me get a half inch from the end here, where our measurement will be starting. Around here. So I'm going to start our measurement from our horizontal measurement from this line here. So we'll come in here by half inch, okay? Then we'll mark the waist. We say the waist is 43. Divide by 4, that will give us 10 3/4. Alright, 10 3/4. We'll add half inch some allowance. That become 11 1/4. Then we'll come down here by what? Half an inch. Then we'll join this point to this point here. Okay, this is it. So for our crotch length, we are going to divide our waist by 4, which will give us 10 3/4, and that will be our crotch length. Okay, but we're going to be minusing about half inch from it so that we don't have a too long crotch. So we're going to be using 10 1/4 instead of 10 3/4. Alright, so this become the depth of this crotch length now becomes our tie line. Now becomes our tie line. Can you see that? Alright, so this is the depth of our crotch length. It now forms our tie line. And we say the tie is what? 31. Divided by 2, that will give us 15 and a half. Right? 15 and a half. Look at 15 and a half here. You see that? The next thing is to come up by 2 inches to locate the what? The hip area. Okay? Come up by 2 inches to locate the hip area. So this is our hip line, okay? Or hip area. So the measurement we have here from here to here to this line is what? Is 11 and a half. So we'll still come here and mark what? 11 and a half. Then we'll go in by what? By 3/4 inch or by 1 inch. Okay. Then we'll join these points to this point here. And see that? The next thing is to curve it. So we'll simply curve this from here to here, and that gives us our crotch. Okay, the next thing to shape our trouser, we're simply going to get the midpoint of this tie line. Okay, we'll get the midpoint. There's a midpoint here. Okay, and then we're going to come out from this midpoint. I normally come out by 1 inch, but for extra large trousers, I'll come out by 1.5 inch. Okay, so this place here from here to here is 6. I'll come here and still mark what? 6. I'll come down here and still mark what? 6. Okay, then I'll join it. This will mark the mid or the center line for this trouser where all other measurements are going to be what? Taken. So coming here now, we're going to check the ankle measurement. And we see the ankle measurement is 16. And 16 divided by 2 will give you what? 8. So it means we measure 4 this side, 4 this side to get 8. So we come here, this is what? 8. And this is what? 8. Alright? Coming to the knee, we say our knee is 22. It means we're going to be having 11 here, which is 5.5 this side, 5.5 this side. Okay, this 5.5 this side, 5.5 this side, to get 11 for our knee, which forms 22. Alright? So the next thing now is for us to join these points together. Watch carefully. I'm going to join these points together using my roller. And I'll come here, join these points together as well using my roller. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to join this to this to this. Okay. Then I'll join this to this. Alright. Then I'll join this to this right here. So you can see this is our front piece. This now forms the front piece of our trouser. And you see this? It forms the front piece of our trouser, and then we're going to come here and flay this out a little from this side, flay it out a little so that we can, that when we are having the trouser, we don't have shortage at any point at all. Alright? Alright, so for us to get our back piece, we're going to come here. We're going to come up here by 2.5 inches, okay, and come this way by 2.5 inches as well. And we'll join this point to this point here. Watch carefully. Join this point to this point here, okay, and then we'll join these points up there. Can you see? Like this. Then you see we're having the difference of about 2 inches, 2 inches plus here, the same thing. We're going to shift this one piece of the front piece this way. Mind you, the down piece, this is where it is, so that you can see it. This is where the down piece, the front piece is seated. Can you see? So we're going to push one of the front pieces to this side, okay, leaving an allowance of up to 2 inches down here, and then 2.5 inches up here. The difference between the allowance here and here is that the allowance here is going to be just 2 inches, okay, that is 2 inches, while the allowance up here will be 2.5 inches, okay, difference of half inch. So at this point we can go ahead and cut, but remember, or rather take note, at this point here, when we are making this curve here, the front curve, the back curve is not going to be as deep as the front curve. So for the back curve, we are going to come out here at about half inch, okay, and we'll curve this way, then we'll curve this from here to this place. You can use your free hand, you can use your French curve. All right, that's it. So watch carefully how I'm going to cut this out. I'll cut this like this. At this point, I'm going to cut this way. Cut this way. Cut this out. All right. Cut this out. Come here. And at this point, guys, we are done. This is the front piece of our trouser. Two front pieces. Okay, let's mark it. All right. And these are the two back pieces of our trouser. Can we see? So we are done cutting this trouser. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you. Thank you.